Well, it's that time again, artists. Time to announce a new painting theme for the month of June. Hello, beautiful artists. Welcome to Monet Cafe Studio in the month of June. And what's this? Am I about to go down on the farm or something? Well, yes, I am, because that's this month's theme. I'm calling it Down on the Farm. And I've done this before a few years ago. It's a crowd favorite. I'm a farm girl at heart. And we're going to be painting farm subject matter, anything from farm animals to country roads and more. As always, I'll have my free lessons on my YouTube channel, and I'll have extended and special content over on my Patreon page for my patrons. And we're going to be having another contest, patrons. You guys have been loving these contests, and I can't wait to see your work. So it's going to be a great month. I hope you will join us. Share your work in our sharing platforms, Monet Cafe Art Group on Facebook. I love seeing your content there. So come down on the farm in the month of June and let's have some painting fun. All right, everyone. Happy painting.